Today we're going to talk about defects on flange gaskets. Right here we have a 12 by 6 T for a hydrant, and if you open the valve and look inside, you can see the gasket bulging on the left side, and then if you look over to the other side, you don't see any gasket at all. So what that's telling me is that the gasket isn't properly seated. So when you pull the valve off and look at the gasket, you can see that it's way to the left, and part of the gasket, it was rubbing against the bolts. What we want to try to do is have as much surface area of the gasket touching the valve and the T. If you look at the gasket when you pull it off, you can see a bunch of buildup like tar and paint that pulled off with the gasket. That could potentially leak. So what you want to try to do before you put the gasket on is clean your valve or your T off. You can see Marvin here with the scraper getting all the extra debris and tar off. Then he hits it with a wire brush to get everything nice and smooth and uniform. And then they set the gasket on there. You can see it's centered on the T. And then they are cleaning off the valve again. When they set the valve on top of the T, you shouldn't be able to see the gasket through the valve. And then the last thing, when you're bolting the valve together, you want the bottom of your valve, the very bottom of it, to line up with the bottom of the T, or the flange on the T. And then you know it's lined up properly.